Hello everybody, heartily welcome to my channel. This is Ching Chang. In this video I am going to teach you the common error, English common error, the word abandon. This video is discussing about the common English common error, or you can say the grammatical mistake, the word abandon. So the abandon meanings is different. So if the first example I'm discussing, I'm writing here since is since capital punishment meant was abandon the crime rate has increased. So I'm using was abandoned, since capital punishment was abandoned. So this is the common error. This is the common error to use the abandon here. So actually the since capital punishment was abolished. So this is the common error. We don't use the abandon here. So we would use the abolish instead of abandon. So this is the wrong. Since capital punishment was abolished, the crime rate has increased. So what is the meaning of the abandon here? So the abandon means here the abandon means give up a plan, activity or attempt. What is the meaning of the abandon? Give up plan, activity or attempt. Or in another hand, abandon means the left forever by the owner or occupier. This is the meaning of the abandon. What is the meaning of abandon? Give up plan or activities or attempt to do something. Attempt to do something. So give up a plan. The since capital punishment was abandoned. Don't use abandon here. Abolished. So what is the meaning of the abolish? The meaning of the abolish: remove a law, traditional rules or system. So abolish, the meaning of the abolish is remove a law, traditional rules or system. So correct is since capital punishment was abolished. Abolish means when the capital punishment removed. So the capital punishment is a one kind of law or one kind of traditional rules. No, it is not a traditional rules, it is a system, you can say. Since capital punishment, this capital punishment is a one type of system or one type of a law, so we can use the abolish instead of abandon. So the right sentence is, since capital punishment was abandoned, the crime rate has increased, because I am using here the crime rate has increased. So now I am so where you can use the abandon. So you can use the abandon. The abandon means give up a planned activity or attempt. So bad weather force them to abandon the search. Bad weather force them, or dark night force them to abandon the search. So here abandon is right. Why the word abandon right? Because this dark night forced them to abandon the search. To abandon, here the abandon means the give up a plan or activities or attempt. Give up plan, to stop the plan, activities or attempt. Here the word abandon is the correct. So in the next example, without government support, the project will have to be abandoned. Without family support, the family business will have to abandon. So here the word abandon is correct. The meaning of the abandon is what is the meaning? Give up a plan or give up activity or give up a attempt, to stop the attempt or give up a activities. Why give up activities? Without family support, the family business will have to abandon. Here is the word abandon is correct. So I'm going to next example. So the use of abandon, again I am showing you an example, the word abandon. So it is difficult to reach abandoned place such as mall, country, village. So I'm using here the abandoned place. It is difficult to reach abandoned place. I am using the abandoned place. So what is the meaning of the abandon? Give up a plan, activities, attempt the left forever, or left forever by the owner or occupier. This is the meaning of the abandon. And abolish, what is the meaning of abolish? Remove a law, traditional rules, or any system. This is the, here I am again use the abandon, the word abandon. It is difficult to reach abandoned place, such as it is a very common grammatical mistake, because abandoned place, give up plan. This is a common mistake. We can say it is difficult to reach remote place. Here the abandon wrong. Okay, here you can see the remote place. So what is the meaning of the abandon? Left forever by the owner or occupied. It is difficult to reach. Here is the meaning, the abandon. What is the meaning? Left forever. So if I say the abandon meaning, the meaning of the word abandon, left forever by the owner or occupied. So I am giving an example. Some of these old coal mines could be dangerous. So here the some of the old coal mines coal. So here we can use the word abandon. So we can say that some of these old coal abandoned mines. So here the abandoned meaning the left forever by the owner or occupier. So here we can see that here the abandon is right. Some of this old abandoned mines. What is the meaning? Left forever by the owner. Here is the meaning, the abandon, the meaning left forever by the owner. Here we can use the abandon, the word abandon. So what is the meaning of the remote? Because I am using the remote place. This is the correct. So remote, the meaning of the remote meaning just like a remote control. You can everybody are using the remote control. So far, it's the meaning, the word remote meaning the far away and difficult to reach. Yes, here is the meaning, the word remote, the far away and difficult to reach. I am giving you an example. The tribe is a small remote mountain village. The tribe lives in a small remote village. We have now managed to bring famine relief to people to even in the most remote area. This tribe, the tribe lives in a you can see the tribe Negro or Naga. or you can say the pygmies. Here the Negro, Nagas and Pygmies are called tribes. The tribes lives in a small remote mountain village. Here we can use the remote, because what is the meaning of the remote? Far away and difficult to reach. The tribe the tribe Naga, you can say the Negro, Naga and Pygmies lives in a small remote mountain village, or you can say the remote mountain or desert area, or you can say the desert area, because pygmies lives in a small cold desert area, because pygmies are coming from the North Pole. So today I have discussed the common error of the word abandon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.